Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So I'm here with my guy, Daco. He's hitting right now. He brought out his big single turbo BMW 3 Series, and this thing is crazy. So let's check it out. What color wrap is this?
This is a triple something.
It's like a really nice orangish red with the sparkles and stuff to it. But let's get to the main action. So this is a precision turbo, right?
Yeah, this is a 6266 precision turbo.
What'd you do to the motor and everything to get it able for
the
boost?
motor is stock internals. It's basically a stock block, everything. Just,
really?
Yeah, because this engine, bro, this engine can handle like 750 wheel on the stock internals and everything. And
does this come NA or does this come turbo?
It came with twin turbo.
Twin turbo?
Yeah.
Okay. And you went for the single turbo?
Yeah, I went for the single.
So what is power difference wise versus stock versus the big turbo?
With the single turbo, you got like you can make more power, like you can make easy power. Because I was on the stock twins, then I went on upgraded twin turbos. I was like making 550. I was trying to make more, but on the twins, you got like you don't got lag, nothing. Like they're just gonna like
hella
when
instant.
you press the gas, that's just going.
Yeah.
But with this turbo, hella lag.
How much does this make with the big turbo?
I haven't dyno it yet, but my tuners say I should be like 697 wheel.
Okay.
Yeah. I still gotta take it to the dyno just to see like the real numbers.
Okay. What are you doing fuel wise?
It's full 85.
Full 85?
Yeah, I got a port injection with a 750cc injectors.
Okay. What suspension you on?
I forgot the name of the suspension. Like stock suspension with a lower springs.
Okay.
Yeah, Toyo AAA.
Okay.
They know the AAA are. They use the AAA.
Okay, yeah. But they still hook pretty good, or spin?
I've been having an issue. Like yesterday, I almost crashed, bro.
Oh, really?
That shit spun crazy.
Damn.
Yeah, I was thinking on just go like drag pack.
Yeah,
it's better. You
that's
know,
smart.
Safety.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah.
You want to start it up? Give us some revs. The turbo exit going right out of the hood, so we'll get some nice turbo noises coming out of this thing. Sounds hella good.
Yeah, bro, I fucking love that shit. I was thinking about it if I do hood exit or not, but then I was like, you know, fuck it, I'll do it. Yeah.
Fuck it. Yeah, because it's a big decision. You gotta cut a hole in the hood,
bro,
you know?
I was like, shit, I gotta cut my hood.
Interior real fast. This thing is gutted. Super gutted. He's got the fire extinguisher though, so he's good to go. Yeah, we're gonna take this thing out, head over to Mexico, do some runs, some pulls. Let's come on. Alright. I like that shifter. What transmission does this have in it?
Shit, I forgot. I think it's like a CF6 something.
I did not know this was a manual either.
Oh yeah?
I thought this was a auto, yeah.
Yeah.
That's dope. Sounds so good. brakes work. These brakes work.
Yeah, right there.
Damn, that's got like the shortest shifter.
Yeah.
It's so touchy.
Yeah.
What roll should I do?
Huh?
What roll? Like
50?
50? Yeah. I'm gonna give you back your car. Just got done driving the single turbo thing. This car is crazy. I have never driven a single turbo, big turbo car, and the difference between like this and my Fox body, night and day, because the twin turbos just light up, go crazy. This takes a little bit to build boost. It's insane. Big shout out to my guy for letting me drive it. Thank you, man. Thank you for letting me drive it, brother.
It's good, bro.
Appreciate you. When we first took off, I thought this was an automatic transmission, but I'm extremely glad it's a manual because this thing is hell of fun.
Yeah.
It would be a little more boring with the auto, so the manual really sets it off. So what is this right here? You just got your gauges set up on the app?
Set up, yeah.
Huh.
Just want to make sure like I'm not running lean. How's my oil, my water, and I got my 85 sensor too, like just to see like.
Oh, that'll tell you exactly what
Yeah.
level of E you're running? That's hella tight. What app is that?
This is for the app for the one that I'm tuning by JB4.
Okay.
Yeah, you can see right here. This one.
That's dope.
Yeah, I can control my like if I want to change my setup, I can just go right here. I can control my boost, my fuel, my everything right here.
Make sure you guys go follow him on IG and check out his build because this thing is crazy. Big single turbo with the manual, hella fun. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share, hit the bell, thumbs up, all that stuff. If you'd like to support the channel, go to helloclothing.com, grab you some merch, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
In Las Vegas, victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you either win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dak, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first,
The bumper
you're last.
kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
what I'm talking about? That phrase, trademark, not this Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.